I have here a car dent puller. I'm going to show you some of the features and show you how to use this. So this is made of some nice heavy duty material, and then the rubber down here on the bottom is nice and thick. It's going to help make sure that it doesn't damage the car anymore when you're using it. So when you go to use this, you're going to want to make sure you clean the part of the car where you're going to be pulling, so it's nice and clean. Make sure it's nice and dry as well. Also keep in mind that it needs to be somewhat flat so this can get a suction on it, and it needs to be bigger than this suction cup is itself. Then once all that's done and good, you're ready to use it. You're going to take and pull this part down like that, push it down onto the car, and then pull it together. And that's going to engage the suction cup and keep it stuck to the car. So you can see I got it suctioned on here. It's not budging at all, just stuck to my countertop right here. Once you've got it nice and secure on your car, you're going to make sure it's secure so you don't injure yourself, and then just gently pull the dent out. Once you've got the dent pulled out, you can flap that down, and then you can see it just lifts right away. This car dent puller is really nice. It makes it really easy to pull out just a cosmetic dent in your vehicle. So I'd recommend it for anybody that doesn't want to pay the high cost of a repair person to do that for you when you can just do it yourself with this puller.